Well, there it is, guys. I thought to myself, how am I going to make my Primal RC a little bit different than everybody else's? And I thought, you know, for being an 80-pound truck, you can see the couch in the background. Look at the size of this truck. I think the couch gives it a good comparison, as you could use this for basically a coffee table. A few years ago, I had a grill for my full-size truck that had 3 rigid LED lights in there, Rigid Industries. And I saved that when I swapped out the grill, and I wired it into my truck because really, for me, fall is setting in. But I thought, you know what, to light up my path a little bit, might as well plug it in. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. What do you think? It definitely gives it a nice brighter look. Let's take it out for a rip. So I'm running 35 to 1 in here. Yes, I'm aware you're supposed to run 25 to 1. Viewers have been asking non-stop to do a comparison with the Traxxas X-MAXX, the full-size X-MAXX. Like I said, unless you're here in person, you really kind of don't get the enormous size of this truck. And don't get me wrong, the X-MAXX is a huge, huge truck. Look how bright that rigid light is, holy cow. People have asked me to take this truck over to the scale park. If you've never seen my channel, this is where I take my 1/10 scale rigs, not my big 1/5 scales. A huge gas-powered truck with reverse. When was the last time you've seen that? Man, short work for the scale park. Just eats it live. That looks insane. I'm gonna stand beside it so you can literally see what we're looking at. Woohoo! I love that jump. Fun. You're darn right I jumped out of the way. This thing is huge. It just keeps eating. The sun has come out for a great shot. I love it. true basher! Yeah! It just keeps taking it! Yes, it's a monster. It keeps on taking a beating. Coming back for more and more. Woohoo! Even my dog wants to play.